The Applied Agricultural Engineering program will prepare students for entry-level employment in the welding and metal fabrication industry. Also, it will prepare them for welding school so they can specialize in a specific area. This program teaches theory and process, SMAW welding, MIG welding, plasma arc welding, oxyacetylene cutting, propylene cutting, and how to use most of the metal working tools is stressed. Emphasis for this program is on making students employable and successful. This program of study is for students interested in building large show projects. Students will compete at the State Fair of Texas and other shows in San Angelo, San Antonio, and Houston.